Hello and welcome to LA Graphics Concept. And in this video I'm going to design this flyer. I've already designed it using Pixel Lab. So I want to design it using Canva, that is for iPhone users, so that they can also get in the picture. So let's get started. Go to your Canva and so looking at, whenever you want to design something on Canva, you have to know um size, the actual size of your design. Look at this. So I've pictured this is 600 by 500 pixel. So you select custom size. So press 500 by 600 px. So create new design. All right, so the first thing we need is okay, let me just remove this margin and change it to bleed. I will be using bleed now. There's something we call bleed. It's very good for your design while on Canva, so that you will know the actual size of your design and how you will not be able to extend beyond the bleed side to make your design more perfect. So see, wait, click these three dots. Let me do that again. These three dots showing here, and go to settings. So you see show print bleed on it. Show print bleed. So you can just remove the margin is not necessarily, but assuming you want to design a book cover, then we are going to need the margin. So if that is the case, we have this now, and we need, the first thing we need is our background. So you click on the background itself, tap on it. So you will see different options at the downward part of your screen. Replace color. So you select replace. So we needed a background to use, so it will take us to our gallery now. I believe this network is kind of slow, I don't know. So this is the background image that I used. I think it's this one. Is it this one? Yeah. So this is how I got my background image. Let me quickly show you. You go to your Pinterest. So you search for white background templates. So that's how I got my design. You can see them now. We have a lot of templates that you can use here. All right, so you can just download them. How do you download? You click on the three dots here, then you press download. So that's that. Make sure the design that you choose, and make sure that they've not written anything on it, because there's some design that they would have written something. I love this wall design. Okay, so that's that on how to get the background. So if that is the case, the next thing is, anything when you are designing a flyer, have it in mind that you must use a logo. So we need a logo. So let's just design a simple logo here. So click on elements and search for shapes. So we have different shapes. I will select, I prefer circle now. This is what I need. All right, I'm not typing anything yet. This is the circle. No, it will allow you to zoom, but don't zoom. This is circle. Then I want to give it a certain color. The certain color I need is on the design that we have just designed here. And so what we have to do is we have to import that design here so that you can choose that particular color. So you click on your gallery. Where's the design? So let's look for the design. This is a design, okay, that I use pixel art for. We want to do the same thing on this Canva. So we needed this color. So how do you make use of this color and make sure that it shows here? So this is a circle now. So you click on that circle first and you go to your color. Then instead of picking a certain color, just click on the plus icon. So there's something we call color picker in Canva. This icon that looks like pencil, look at it here. Just watch my pointer, click on it. See now, you will now move this bigger circle. You see a bigger circle on the screen. You drag it to where the color is. So you make sure that it successfully pick the color without any other color. It must not pick combination of color. At least it must pick only just a single color. Okay, let me drag it here now. You can see now that it has picked the color now. So you just press done. So when you press done, you see that the color has already been filled, or the color has already been transferred to that circle. Yemi Empire, that's the name of the company. So let me just hide it for now. Yemi Empire. So I will just move this. See that my circle does not go beyond the stuff that is here. Yemi Empire. So I need a test. So how do I get that? You see that whenever I want to look for text here, you have to know something on Canva. Whenever you want to look something at the downward part here, you will see that it's showing different things, showing replace color. Why is it showing? Because you have already selected the background. Don't select anything. You will just click here. Don't select anything. So we don't want to select anything. Then you will now see text. So on seeing the text, Yemi Empire. All right, Yemi Empire. So I'll just capital letter Y and E. Okay, Yemi Empire. That's how I did that. Okay, let me drag this one a little. How do you move on Canva? You go to notch. You use notch to move, or to drag objects or text, anything you want to drag. So looking at this is Yemi Empire now. So you can see the color of our text. I don't really like it. I have to change it. So we want to change it to a golden color. So for some of you that have collected the gift, this good texture or this good template that I want to use, you already have it in your file. Just download them. And if you don't have it, if you have not collected the gift, just go to your Pinterest and search for golden texture or golden template. You will see something like that. So I have to import my golden texture here so that I will also pick it in order to apply for my text. You click on gallery, and let's look for the golden texture here. All right, where's the golden texture? So this is golden texture. You just select it. Let me just select like two. No, one is okay, Jerry. So add to page. Click on add to page. So I want the color of this golden texture to apply on my text. So I have to click on my text first. So click on the text. That's what you do. Then go to your color. Go to color. Select this plus icon. Select the icon that look like pencil and drag the circle that is here. Drag it here so that it can pick the texture area of this image. Then you select done. So you see now that it has already applied on our text. Good. So I'm done with this image. Just delete it. So I can just bold it. Okay, it's already bold. All right. So we need another text. That's okay. We need another text now. Yemi Empire. So we need another text. Sorry. So this one will now portray the name of the business or the name of the company. I don't know. Yemi Empire. Or you can just use Yemi Entourage or something like that. Then what is their motto here? What is the motto? Let me just double click on it. What is the motto of this company? You can just say creativity and no, nice outfits, something like that. I don't know. Just guess. Just guess this. So you have to reduce the size since this one is just like what is happening. Okay, click on it back. You reduce this font size. Come to this place. If you don't understand all this thing I'm doing, go back and go and watch Introduction to Canva. I've explained all this thing. Introduction to Canva. Let me use 9 for now. Then you have to change the font. So looking at the font here, let me use let me use Alora. No, Buffalo is best for this kind of thing. So I will have to increase the size a little bit so that it will be show. One thing I love about Canva is that they have nice font here. But if you want nice font on Pixela, then you have to import them manually. So go to your notch so that I will use it to position this very well. Okay. All right. Let me change this one self. I think that Alora is better. So after that, I need something like this again. The name of this company again, but in separate. This time around I want it in a separate text icon or text box. So Yemi, then Empire, then you click on it. How do you copy this plus icon? You click on it, it will to duplicate it. So Yemi Empire. All right, you see that it's not showing any option. When you encounter this on Canva, what you have to do is just tap on the design to come back to normal. All right, so increase the size of this font size a little bit. Same thing here. All right, then we need an object here. We need an object. So you see that I've selected the background, so it's not showing me any object, so I just tap on this one. So how you go to element, I need the scale. This is scale. Okay, you just zoom out, tap on it again. Okay, so you see. All right, I will still use this notch to try and arrange it. And let me nudge this one also. Good. Then the text, nudge it. Good. So I need another text again. So this Yemi Empire, let me just nudge it and shift it to a little bit to the right, because it's taking almost all the entire space. And that's to the left, sorry. Yemi Empire. Okay, you'll be seeing something like a line there. Let me reduce this one a little bit. So this Yemi Empire here, let me change the font. So which font are we using for this? I need a corporate. Yes, I need a corporate font. That's the categories. That's the category of fonts that I need. We have different categories of fonts on Canva. So select corporate. Now there are some fonts here that you will not be able to use them. You will not have access to them. It's only when you have Canva Pro. So just use the one that you have access to. But me, I'm already using the Canva Pro, and but for those of you that will join the advanced class, you will understand how to get the Canva Pro. That's where, if you have this Canva Pro, you will enjoy the full functionality of Canva. So let me see. Gabriel Sans condemn. No, this one is too thick. I don't like this font. I want okay. The one that I use here is what? Brandon. Brandon. So I have Yemi Empire here. Then this the one here. Let's change the font also to either, let's see, Rosario. No. Single. That's too bad. I don't want a font that is too bold. Don't want it. Let me unbold it. If nudge it to the left. Why is it okay? I've already dragged it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay like this. Yeah, me Empire. So I need a test. Click on test. Subheading. So this time I want to write inside this. So I will need, my color should be white so that it will show. So just say we seal exclusive. That is what you do. You explain what the company does, or what the company does. Sorry. We seal exclusive male and female wears, such as, then see that it's not showing anything at the downward part. What you have to do is just tap on it to come back to its normal sense. So you click on font size, reduce the font of this, then color should be white. All right, so we see exclusive male and female. Let me just try and this object, let me just try and increase it a little bit. So we see exclusive male and female wears, such as, so I need some design again. So let's continue. I need some design. Let me just delete this one. I don't need it anymore. Now on Pixel Lab we did something. We use mask to curve or something. We use mask to curve a design, but on Canva you cannot do that. There's no icon like that on Canva. So but there's a way you can get it on Canva. Just go to your elements. Now search for, you just search for curved shape. Curved shape. Yeah, exactly this is what I need. Curved shape. But this is what I mean. I want you to watch closely now. Let me first change the color. Click on the color. This is the color we are using, so that it will match with our design. Now this is not how I want this shape. I want it the other way around. I believe you guys are following. Now what you have to do is click on it. I've already selected it. Please watch carefully. Go to the downward part of your screen, iPhone users, or maybe Android users can also check this, they can also learn something. You will see an option called flip. You click on it, so you can either flip horizontally or flip vertically. This time around I'm not flipping vertically, I'm flipping horizontally, because this curved shape I needed it around this place, so I will flip horizontally. All right, so after that, let me now rotate. Should I do that again? Let me do that again. How did I rotate? This is how I rotate. When you click on it, you will see two arrows that are facing each other. Or look at them, these two arrows. Just look at the pointer of your screen. Click on it now. You will see these two arrows that I'm talking about, that is curving like this. These two arrows, one is facing up while the other one is facing down. Then you long press on that arrow and you rotate to the exact place that you want. So that's how to rotate on Canva. All right, so this is it. This is what I want. Then you enlarge it, then you place it here. I needed it here. I needed it here. All right, so I just want this thing, I don't want it to be outside the notch, the, what do we call it, the bleed. Okay, so if that is the case, I need another shape again. I need another shape. Go to elements. I need the rectangle shape this time around, or let me just say square. Just type square. Anything that you need on Canva, you have to type it. You go to elements and you type it. Let me just say square. So this is the square that I need here, or rectangle. Oh, this square will not work. Oh, I need rectangle. Sorry, let me search for rectangle shape. All right, I love this one. So I've changed the color to white. All right, so I place it here. What is happening to this thing? Let's maybe I should crop it. This is not the exact thing that I want here now. Maybe I should search for another one that is, I need the one that is very long. Okay, I think this one will do. Nice one. So change the color to white. Okay. So just nudge it a little bit downward, and so let's continue what we are still doing, but I will have to continue this video. I will cut it now, and we are going to resume it back.